Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video guys, gagawin natin yung Guess and Win number 5. So ano ba yung hulaan natin? So remember yung Guess and Win natin number 3, yung house and lot property natin sa Philippines. So meron siyang insurance covered for 1 year. Like fortuitous event like fire, earthquake. So covered siya guys for 1 year. So yun yung hulaan natin. So, ang hint niya is from 1,000 to 10,000. So, on that range, dun kayo magigess. So, simple lang yung mechanics, guys. I-heart mo lang tong video na to, and then, i-share mo siya sa 3 valid groups. And then, pwede ka nang mag-comment. Unlimited comment, guys. Walang limit ng entries. So, kahit ilan yung maging comment mo, okay lang. So, again, guys, ang huhulaan natin for today's video is property insurance natin sa Philippines, ranging between 1,000 to 10,000. So ayun, i-heart mo lang to, and then i-share mo siya sa 3 valid groups, and then valid na yung entry mo. So ayun, good luck guys, good luck, and God bless.